Hello. I am Microsoft's Speech Articulation Module, also known as Microsoft SVEM. Welcome to Helicopter Sounds 101 with Microsoft SVEM. I sexually identify as a rafflecopter, so this should be easy. Step 1. Open the Start menu, click on Control Panel, click on Sounds, Speech and Audio Devices, click on Speech, and there you go. Wait. You don't have a Windows XP machine? Not even a virtual machine? Well, not every computer can handle one. So, step 1, for real now, open up whatever browser you have. Type in tetieyes.com/sappy4, link also in that card thing in the corner. You can do it on any other device too. Step 2, delete the example and type SONI. Only 3 letters. Step 3, click on Say It Swap. You can type in even more swaps and even alter the speed.
The maximum speed is 450.
Swa 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 swa. If you think the sound you generated is good, and you use Chrome, then you can download it. Press the 3 dots and then click on download. Now you can listen to my rafflecopter even when offline. This has been Helicopter Sounds 101. I was Microsoft SVEM. Goodbye.